Good afternoon, my friends. How are you all today? First, I eager to tell about myself. Sumalata Merigu, teacher trainee, government at Karimnagar. Okay. Before going to our topic, I will ask some questions. Do you know multiples? Yes. What are the multiples of 2? Okay. Multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 up to so on. Okay. What are the multiples of 4? Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 up to so on. Are there any common multiples? Yes. 4, 4, 8, 8, 12, 12. Okay. These are the common multiples of common multiples of 2 and 4 are 4, 8, 12. Okay? These are the common multiples of 2 and 4. Is it clear? Common multiples? Let us know about least common multiple. What is our topic? Least common and also called LCM. Okay, before going to that, let us take one example. Listen carefully. Okay, two bells ring together. If the bells ring at every 3 minutes and 4 minutes respectively, after what time they will ring together again? Okay. Can I repeat it? Okay. Two bells ring together. If the bells ring at every 3 minutes and 4 minutes respectively, after what time they will ring together again? Okay, let us see. The first bell rings at every 3 minutes. Every 3 minutes. Okay. Then the first bell rings at 3 minutes. The first bell rings at 3 minutes, 6 minutes, 9 minutes, 12 minutes, 15 minutes, 18 minutes, 21, next 24 minutes and up to so on. Okay. Next, the second bell rings at every 4 minutes. Okay. Then the second bell rings at what time? The second bell rings at 4 minutes, 8 minutes, 12 minutes, 16 minutes, 20 minutes, 24 minutes, up to so on. Okay. From these two, are there any common multiples? Yes. What? 12, 24. These are the common multiples of 3 and 4. The common multiples of 3 and 4 are 12 and 24. These two numbers, what is the least number? 12. From this example, what can we say? We say the least common multiple, the definition of the least common multiple. Okay, the definition of the least common multiple of two or more given numbers, is the least of their common multiples. Okay. In these two numbers, which is the least number? 12. So the LCM is what? LCM is 12. The bells ring at every 12 minutes together again. Okay. Okay. Next. Is it clear? Okay. Let us find LCM by prime factorization method. Okay, first let us take two numbers. The first one is 36 and second one is 60. Okay, first we take 36. What do we do? LCM by prime factorization method. Okay. First, prime factorization method. Do you know prime numbers? Yes. What are they? Prime numbers. Two, 3, 5, 7, up to so on. Okay. First, 36. We have to reduce the value of 36 with prime numbers. Okay. Is 2 factor of 36 or not? Yes. So we take 2, the least prime number. Okay. To get 36, which number should be multiplied with 2? 18. So write 2 into 18 equals to 36. Here 18. Okay. We have to reduce the value of 18. Next. To get 18, which number should be multiplied with 2? 2 is 2 factor of 18? Yes, so we take 2. Yes. Which number should be multiplied with 2? 9. 2 into 9 equals to? No. 2 into 9 equals to 36. Here 9. Okay. Is 2 factor of 9 or not? No. So we take the next prime number 3. Okay. To get 9, which number should be multiplied with 3? 3. So 2 into 3 into how much equal to 9? 3. 3 into 3 equals to 36. These are the prime factors of 36. The prime factors of 36 are what? 2 into 3 into 3. Let us take 60. Okay, 60. We have to reduce the value of 60. Here 2 is the factor of 60 or not? Yes. So we take 2, the least prime number 2. To get 60, which number should be multiplied with 2? 30. So 2 into 30 equals to 60. Here 30 is 2 factor of 30 or not? Yes. So we get 30. Which number should be multiplied with 2? 15. 2 into 15 equals to 60. Okay. Here 15 is 2 factor of 15 or not? No. So we take the next prime number 3. 3 into how much equal to 15? 5. Sorry. 3 into 5 equals to 60. These are the prime factors of 60. The prime factors of 60 are 2 into 3 into 5. Okay. Now what do we do? What we find? LCM. Okay. So the 30, the common we take the prime factors of 30 are what? 2 into 3 into 3. The prime factors of 60 are 2 into 3 into 5. Here are there any common multiples? Yes. 2. Here 2. Here 3. 3. These are the common prime factors. So the common we find LCM. LCM equals to we take these 2 2's we take only 1 2. These 2 numbers we take 2. These 2 3's we take 3. And also we take extra prime factors. Okay. 3 into 5. The product of common prime factors and extra common prime factors are called LCM. Here 2 2's are 4 3's are 12 3's are 36 5's are 180. We get 180. The LCM is 180. Okay. What have we learned? First least common multiple and LCM by prime factorization method. Shall I ask one question? What is the definition of least common multiple? The least common multiple of two or more given numbers is the list of their common multiples. Okay, thank you.